here you go. Hello, how are you doing today? Today we have a package and this is going to be an exciting one. And then this one came all the way from France. So we'll open it up. I have a really good essay, sales associate there. And then I told him about this one. This one is a really exciting one because this one, you don't get it here in America. So here you go. Anyway, there's that. This one. This one. And it's an orange box, orange one. And then let's see what it is. So this one is Hermes. He didn't really pack it because, oh, he did. It's heavy. Hold on, let me take this off. Oh my gosh. So here you go. I cannot wait for this one to open this. This is a really nice one. This is for Sebastian anyways because he really likes this. And then this one is, so there's the booklet in here. So yeah, it says here Le Porte. Yeah, there, I'm not going to pronounce it, but it is the precious one. And I think not many people has this one. Correct me if I'm wrong, comment below. And I'll take a pic first. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? You're gonna be shocked. Ta-da! It's the Faubourg wallet, MagSafe wallet that we have. It's really nice. And you put it on the phone. And then yeah, it's heavy. And then this is what it says in there. It says there Hermes Paris, made in France. And then this is the window of the 24 is the address of FSH in flagship store of Hermes in France, in Paris. So yeah, so there's that little cutie right there. What do you think of this one? This is, it's not a limited piece, but then it's not usual that you see. Anyways, we already have one. We unboxed it already when we were in Milan. That one is the dog. Now we have this one and he really liked it. And then I hope baby you love this one. And then yeah, it has one credit card slot at the front. It is compatible with iPhone models or cases that embark the MagSafe technology. It is iPhone 12 or newer. It is made in France. The height of this one is 3.8 inches and the width is 2.6 inches. It is magnetically attached to the back of the phone. And then it's made out of gold Swift calfskin leather. Very much for watching. I hope this is a really good surprise for you, my love. And then yeah, so we'll see how it will be. And then we'll see how it will be on this one. And this is your Christmas gift. I'm going to put it back here and put it all together again. And then yeah, I hope you'll be surprised and you'll be loving this one. It's really heavy. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment below, and like this video. What do you think of this one? Let us know, and then I will let you know what the price, and it's gonna be here. And then yeah, thank you very much. We love y'all. We'll see you again. Bye.